Alright, yo YouTube, it's your boy Killer Riga Voss. Y'all already know. Today here, man, we coming with a prank video on my dad. You know, it's Father's Day. I got him a gift though, but at the end of the video, I'm gonna give him a gift. But I'm gonna be pranking him with this fake blood, you feel me? And I'm gonna be acting like I cough up blood. And I'm gonna try to get his best reaction when he get home, you feel me? We gonna see how it's gonna play out and work. I hope he don't kick my ass, you feel me? But I love you, Dad, and happy Father's Day. Alright, YouTube. So look. I'm about to prank my dad. I'm about to be acting like I coughed up blood. It's just a Father's Day prank I'm doing on him, you feel me? He might fuck me up, but I'm gonna make them like scream and go get him. And then while when he come down, we like puke out blood and all that. And I'm gonna try to get his next reaction. Let's run this video up. Let's get 200 likes. Let's get like 20K views, you feel me? Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm risking my life doing this shit, you feel me? It's your boy. Alright, let's get it, man. Let's go.
Pretend that's
how does it?
Put a little bit more around your chin.
Alright, ready?
Don't. He did it yesterday.
I'm doing it for the YouTube, bro.
No, we can go get him free. That's fucking chemicals. This nigga retarded. That's all chemicals.
Where you throw it at?
Chris, bro.
Chris, you good, bro? You okay?
Chris, cool.
Where you throw it? Where you throw it at?
Chris, bro.
Chris, is you good, bro? You okay?
Chris, you cool?
Where you throw it at?
Right here on the counter. Right here.
Dad, come here. He throwing up blood. He throwing up blood. Dad, come here. He throwing up blood. He throwing up blood. Dad, come here. Chris, where you need to go glasses, bro? You okay? Is you okay?
Oh, that's blood.
Yeah, like you.
Hold on, we're going to the hospital.
Bro, what the hell? Chris, bro, what's up with you, bro?
Oh! Alright, let's go to the hospital.
Chris, bro. Chris,
Yo.
bro. Come on. Chris, bro. Chris, bro. Come on. Bro, what's up with you, bro?
Call the ambulance, bro. Call 911. Call the ambulance, man! Yo! Call the ambulance for me. Call the ambulance for me. Alright. You have a procedure? You might get to him?
Hello? Yeah, so my friend, he started like throwing up all this like blood and stuff all over forehead.
Yeah, so give me the address.
What's the address? What's the
35 South Constitution Drive. Stay right here.
35 South Constitution Drive in Smyrna, Delaware.
That is a prank.
Wait.
Gang in his
Alright, YouTube, you already know, man. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I pranked my dad, you already know, man. Let's run this video up. Let's get it, let's go. You already know, it's your boy Killer Riga Voss. Like, subscribe, and we gone.